Hi, this is Peggy with HomeSmart. I have been a realtor for over 29 years, and I am in Glendale. Most of my home sales are in Glendale, Surprise, and Peoria. Some of the 55 plus communities. This home is currently at 4942 West Purdue Avenue, and that is near 55th Avenue and Peoria Avenue. And one of the things that I really love is it has such a great curb appeal. So we have the front porch area, which is tiled. And then we have dual door entry, and it has an updated light fixture. I love the leaded glass doors, and the color makes the front doors pop. So that is really neat. We have a tiled entryway. And this is the formal living room area. As you notice, there are shutters on the windows, recessed lighting. It's very spacious, and it has a ceiling fan. And that is a modern looking ceiling fan. So this home has had recent updates. Let's head towards the kitchen and just a quick glance at the laundry room area, because this laundry room area, it has the built-in pantry area. And then look how big that is. Plenty of storage room in there. You could have a freezer in there. There's a large water heater. Looks like a 50-gallon. Again, it's tiled, which is really nice. Here is the kitchen area, which is in the heart of the home. And with this openness into the family room, you also get a view of the backyard and pool. Again, we have another one of the more modern ceiling fans. And this is really cute because it has a fireplace there. We don't use a fireplace much in Arizona, but you know, it's really nice to have it during the holidays and things like that. Beautiful cabinetry in the kitchen. So let me step back a bit so you can kind of get the whole view of the kitchen. And with the open, it really makes it seem more spacious. There is also a ceiling fan and recessed lights in the kitchen. So it's light and bright. It comes with your stove, your built-in microwave, and it has the dishwasher. And now we have beautiful granite countertops. One of the other features with this home is it's a single level. So if you're looking for a single story home, and the family room is really large. You can have bar stools there. And you could put a breakfast table here. It could be a breakfast nook. This is a really popular floor plan, so that's another thing I would like to point out. Let's go ahead and check out the main bedroom. Which also has a ceiling fan. And an updated shower. You can step out to the rear patio from the main bedroom. So if you want to run out at night and use the pool or something, you can come right back in and run into the shower. Extra long covered patio. I believe these are lights on the patio, but I think they have built-in fans. And then you have a very large pool. And this is one of the older homes, but the nice thing about it is the lots are not cramped. It's a very big lot, perfect for if you have a family, you need a place for barbecuing, or maybe you just want a place to put a swing set or things like that. There's room for that. So if you're looking for a sparkling pool in Glendale, Arizona, this might be the perfect home for you. So give me a call for more information at 602-422-5444. Let's go in and check out the rest of the house. So here I am Going back into the main bedroom. And it does have a walk-in closet. I don't think I showed you that part of it, so that's nice because you need a lot of room for clothes and extra storage. But this home is light and bright, so that's nice. So we're heading over to the secondary bedrooms. And as you can see, this one has shutters on the windows, has the ceiling fan. And let's turn on the light for the bathroom. Get a little bit better view. This bathroom's been updated. Looks really super cute. See the wainscoting? It's a cute touch. This bed is a 4-bedroom. So there's one of the lights. Has the window coverings. Updated flooring. And still we have the child. And this is the last of the 4 bedrooms. So if you're looking for a 4-bedroom, updated home in Glendale, this might be the perfect home for you. One of the things I really like too is both the roof and the air conditioner, I believe, are from 2021. So they're newer, and that is a really plus because it's going to save you money in the long run. Again, my name is Peggy. I am a realtor with HomeSmart, and I would love to talk to you. Give me a call. Thanks.